Hello everybody, welcome back to TTB Studios. Today I'm just going to be giving a quick instructional video on how to install and remove my Corsair AIO brackets. If you ever purchase a pair, they will include a tool that looks similar to a guitar pick. You could also use a guitar pick most likely, as long as it's not too flimsy. What you do, it's really simple. I prefer to do it on the thicker side, although it would probably work just as easily over here. But basically what you do is take the tool and slide it in between the pump body and the bracket, just like that, and just give it a little twist, a small twist, and that should push it off enough. And the same thing with the other side. Just push in there. Flip it around where the wedge side is facing. Okay, there we go. It's just a little tight there. And then just twist, push, boom, pops right out. And for the install, really simple as well. You just, I prefer to have the pump upside down like this, and then you take the short side here, there's the fat side, short side, and slide it into the groove there, boom, push it in, and give it a little squeeze. Sometimes they like to stick out a little bit there. And then the other one, just line it up, boom. You won't always hear it snap in place like that. You can see that it's installed really well, but you can see that the ends are fairly even, and it's ready to install on your motherboard. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.